for now, like a regular Japanese style room. Basically, the idea is that basic living stuff downstairs. Thinking, hoping that the builder can build a loft right here to the left. That's for wood. Up on the upstairs, on that wall right there, bedding and everything is still here. The view from above. To the left, we have a little. If I come and get some chestnuts, and hopefully it wasn't a crazy what kind of trees they are yet. Coco that's waiting her butt off. Hi Choco. Pond is gonna be even the Choco's. And they had a pond about this size and there's really beautiful coral rocks. I'm pretty sure they're quite expensive too. So sitting there the afternoon. Shoji right there. That was Mount Fuji. It's pretty cool. Yeah, to be on this side right here to bit there, we have a sunroom, so the toilet is going to be changed. American standards, I guess, here instead of where I'm standing is where it's going to fit through there. Imagine one thing I want to do here too is put a deck right here. Get rid. Again, the island is going to be right here in front of Gawa, right there. Let's call it Gawa's. Nice big windows is that, so kind of standing where the couch would be. It's kind of a shame, but it's a beautiful wood. Up here in Niwa is that it does get cold, it does snow. Fireplace, we're gonna have air conditioners, so we're gonna get a nice door right there. Choco size there, but it's kind of a cheapy. Like this. I have to look at his pamphlet again, but that's where he gets his wood from, the cottage style to Choco's craft room. So we're gonna go up there in a minute, and then right here on the left, early next year. So looking forward to that. So it doesn't have as much of this wood as possible. All shape, big sewing right here. That's where I'm standing. Some neighbors, but not all that close. About 130. Oh, that did not include the double pane windows either. always good fairy ideas. And it kind of dawned on me that that dry kuzu there, the growing season will begin. The cycle will begin. House a little bit and build a laundry room. It should be level. There's no steps, there's none of that. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna come up with that. But yeah, we'll see once.